How do your roles complement each other in daily operations on the vessel? As a second engineer and chief officer, we are mostly the one who maintain the ship and operate on a daily basis. We communicate mostly every day.
We are the guys which are responsible for the maintenance planning and taking care about the ship's condition. Our excellent cooperation, our inspection, our expertise, and then sharing the maintenance plan. They are leading to this best result in the meaning of the best ship condition and the safe one.
On a daily basis, we're doing every day a briefing to the crew on what you have to do a job every day.
Yes.
At some point after the day, we do a debriefing on what was done and what needs to be done or improved.
And we are building together a common plan for both departments, for the engine one and the deck one, just to make a good solid job.